My name is Nicole Heim, and welcome to a video where we're going to look at working with percentages. Percentages are very important. We use them to calculate interest rates, taxes, and discounts, among other things in finance and accounting. In this video, we're going to look at converting percentages to decimals, converting decimals to percentages, increasing a number by percentage and then decreasing it by percentage, and finally, calculating percentage increases and decreases. The first thing we're going to look at is converting percentages to decimals. A percentage is a number divided by 100. So to convert it to a decimal, we want to divide it by 100. Let's look at converting 10% to a decimal. To convert 10%, we do 10 divided by 100, which gives us 0.1. But there's a shortcut. To convert a percentage to a decimal, we can move the decimal points 2 places to the left. We can move the decimal point 1 spot and then 2 spots, and this also gives us the decimal, which is 0.1. Let's look at the opposite, which is converting decimals to percentages. To convert a decimal, we multiply it by 100%. So let's look at converting 0.1 to a percentage. In this case, we would multiply 0.1 times 100%, which gives us 10%. There's another shortcut for this situation. We can move the decimal point 2 places to the right. And take your 0.1, move the decimal spot 1 spot, 2 spots, and this also gives us 10%. Let's look at a summary of the shortcuts. To convert a percentage to a decimal, we can move the decimal place 2 places to the left. And to convert decimals to a percentage, we can move the decimal point 2 places to the right. We're now going to look at increasing a number by percentage. To increase a number by percentage, we find the percentage of the original number that we're increasing it by multiplying the original number by the percentage increase, and then adding it to the original number. In math, whenever we hear of, it means multiply. Let's look at a quick example. Let's say we go to a store to buy a $50 product, and we need to pay a 15% additional tax. How much do we pay in total? To find the total price we pay, we multiply $50 times 15% to find the tax we pay, and then add it back to $50. And this gives us 57.5. Let's now look at the opposite case, which is decreasing a number by percentage. To decrease a number by percentage, we take the original number and subtract it by the original number times the percentage decrease. Let's look at an example. We go to the store to buy a $50 product and there's a 15% discount. How much do we pay in total? To solve this example, we would do $50 minus 50 times 15%, which gives us 37.5. Now that we have this base, let's look at calculating percentage increases. To calculate the percentage increase, we would take the final number minus the original number and divide it by the original number. We want to find the difference between the final number and the original number as a percentage of the original number. Let's look at a quick example. Let's say bike prices increased from $400 to $500. What percentage did they increase by? To solve this example, we will take the final number, which is 500, subtract 400, and then divide it by 400. And this would give us 25%. Let's now look at the opposite case, which is calculating the percentage decrease. In this case, we would do the original number minus the final number divided by the original number. Once again, we want to find the difference between the two numbers as a percentage of the original number. Let's say a number decreased from 500 to 400. Let's find the percentage the number decreased by. So to find the percentage, we would take the original number, which is 500, subtract 400, and then divide it by 400, which would give us 20%. As you can see, when we calculated percentage increase and percentage decrease, even though we use the same number, 500 and 400, we got different percentages. When we calculated the percentage increase, we got 25%, and to calculate the percentage decrease, we got 20%. So percentage increase and percentage decrease are not symmetrical. I hope this video has been helpful, and I'm sure you'll see a lot of percentages in accounting and finance.